Hi, this is Seth David from the world famous Nerd Enterprises Incorporated, bringing to you a virtual tour of my real estate accounting with QuickBooks website. I wanted to walk you through a little bit of what you can expect to find here and give you a look inside to see some of the stuff that you can't see if you're just sort of here and not logged in as a paid member. But before you even get into that, first of all, if you got here by way of a web search or some means other than, let's say, my YouTube channel, and for that matter, if you haven't seen my videos on YouTube, I've added something in here for you. Right here where it says watch our free videos here. These are the videos that I have available absolutely free on YouTube right now, which you can watch to get a sense of my teaching style, to get a sense of how I work and how my videos, what you can expect to see essentially when you get deeper into this. You can also view an outline right here at the top right. Just click view the outline and you'll see a PDF where I just wrote out a detailed outline and explains to you every chapter, each section within the chapter, and I've made a point of indicating, where there are videos to watch. And pretty much everything has a video with the exception of the introduction and chapter 1. And if you want a little larger version of this outline, just click this little arrow at the top right here and that'll launch this up in Google Docs. So you'll be able to open it up in a Google Doc, and you can actually, I think, save it in your own Google Docs account, so you can get a good detailed look at what's contained in this entire book and a blog. There's quite a bit in here. Of course, on the right here is your navigation. Now, once you're logged in and paid, you'll be able to have access to all this. Non-paid members have access to the introduction. So if you're paid, you'll be able to get in here, and you'll be able to see, for example, chapters, like I said, introduction chapters 1 don't have any videos. As soon as we get to chapter 2, we're talking about the loan, and there's a video that goes over effective interest. I've also got downloads, templates for download in several of these chapters. So in this chapter, for example, you can download my Excel sheet, my effective interest template. All this is included once you've paid. We can go in through each and every chapter. I'm not going to do that for the purposes of this virtual tour. I just want to make sure you get an idea so you don't feel like you're going into this blind when you sign up. If I go into a chapter like chapter 4, there's several sections. There's actually 5 sections to this, I think. Yes, so there's 5 sections. Each section has a video. So you can review this, and of course you can get right to the chapter. If you want, you can go straight to the video. Speaking of which, let's say you're one of some of the people who have signed up for this already, who have emailed me saying they would love to see a way to just go right to the videos. Well, I've now added that. If you scroll down here in this drop down, this first of all gives you a window into every section, pretty much every page that's in here. But you can go right here to these videos, the videos section. Just click videos at the top level and you'll get the archive. So it'll list every video that's in here for you. And you'll be able to go through and just watch the videos. So you don't have to go chapter by chapter necessarily. But of course that's all here. So if you have any questions, of course, email me, seth@nerdenterprises.com. If you're ready to sign up, then please do so by clicking sign up. Before you get to this screen, you'll be prompted with some information to fill out. We need your email address and some other information. But then you'll have a choice as far as what subscription you want. And that's going to depend on you and how far you want to take this. There's a one-day rental for $77 if you want to try this out and see how it works. And some people have been able to rifle through the content within a day. I think 1 or 2 people, very few, but a few have. But the idea was I wanted to give you an opportunity to get a look without, spending a whole lot of money on it. I do have to charge something for this because, as you can imagine, a lot of time and energy and effort, not to mention all the experience, went into creating this, both on the accounting side and on the WordPress and video side. So unfortunately, I can't make it available for any less than that. I actually just increased all the prices because I realized all the work I'm putting in. The month-to-month lease you can get for $177, and that gives you a whole month, and it doesn't automatically renew. I know that's annoying when I sign up for sites where I have to remember to cancel. It will not automatically renew. You'll sign up, it'll cancel instantly, so you'll only have it for the month, and you won't have to worry about canceling it in the future. Of course, if you want to sign up again, you just come back to this page and sign up again. Now, the last option is going to look very expensive at first glance, $997. That gets you a year of access to this, but it also gets you an hour a month of private one-on-one training with me. Once you've signed up for this, all you have to do is get in touch with me and schedule the session. So that'll be 12 sessions, which I normally, at this point in time, charge $150 an hour for a private session with me. So 12 sessions at that rate comes to about $1,800. Not about, exactly $1,800. So that alone is worth more than the $997 that you'd be paying here. But $997 gives you full access to this for a full year, plus 1 private training a month with me. You just have to schedule it. And then, of course, full access to everything in here. And one thing that you'll get to do that others will not necessarily have access to, even on the 2 other membership levels, is the ability to post comments on these chapters. So if you have a question about something, you can come in here and post a comment. The 1 day and the month to month do not have that option. Those people, of course, are welcome to email me if they have questions. So I think that about covers it. If you have any questions at all, please email me as always, Seth@nerdenterprises.com. I look forward to seeing you on the web. I hope you're having an absolutely fantastic day.